So I'm going to show you how we can able to run Android APK for the Rapport project. So basically you will receive the code from Code Canyon or from the support. Once you get it, you'll extract it into a folder and you can able to open it like this. Like once you have the project, you can able to open the project in this way. Like this is the location I have saved the file. So this automatically comes, this Android symbol automatically comes. That means that's an Android project. Just click and open it. And one main thing you have to do is the change the application ID and as well as the server keys, server URL. So to change the application ID, you can go to the rapport slash app slash build. So basically it is in the build Gradle that is situated here, here, and you can able to change this to whatever you want. So you should change this in order to add it to the Firebase. Actually in the previous video I have shown how to add the application ID in Firebase. So this is the first step you need to do in order to add it to the Firebase as well as in order to upload to the Play Store. And the next step is you need to change the server link. So basically server link is located inside this folder. It's under Java, com, under net, under that service name. So see, right now it is linked with our staging URL. You just change to your web server URL, and this is the sub versioning. Like see, this is the main domain and this is the path for your web service. So basically if you don't have a subfolder, it will be kind of slash web service for you. And Rapport is the root domain where the upload parts go, but basically the coding will move it to a folder where it should actually work, where it actually should be there. So basically this is the place you need to change in order to take the build with your server link. So once all this is set up and you can able to change the color whatever you want, all these steps you can change, and also you can able to change the name of the application just like where I showed previously. Here you can able to change the name of the application. You can able to update the API keys that we generated from Google Cloud. So you can also, there's a string file where you can able to change the text of whatever that is shown in the application. You can able to change all the text that is shown in the application, at least here. So that is handy if you want to change the text or if you want to change the language itself. So this is how it is done. So let's try and take a Android build. So I'm going to take a build APK. This is unsigned version. If you want to have a signed version, you need to generate the key store file and then you will take it. So I'm just going to show you that the code is running. See, the Gradle build is taking, for the first time it will take more than some time, like 13 minutes, 15 minutes, because based upon internet speed, the Gradle has to load the latest version or whatever the version that is mentioned in the build, and then only it will start taking the build. So that time it will take. So right now it will take much more faster since I have already downloaded the Gradle files and the build is success. The APK is generated. I can able to locate the APK by just clicking over here. Yes, here is the APK. Just created the APK. So the Android application for Rapport installation is complete. Thank you.